bed. So if your boyfriend never seen you with your wig off, hey guys, I am going to bring this wig back to life. This is a store-bought wig, and yeah. So if you guys want to see me put this wig back to life, please keep on watching. I want to put it onto my head to see how bad it looks. And yeah, it's pretty bad. And I forgot it was a frontal. So this is definitely a store-bought wig, and I did not wear this that often. I literally took it off before bed. So if your boyfriend never seen you with your wig off, I think you might want to, you know, make sure your hair looks good underneath your wig. So yeah, always make sure that your wig is give you forehead, like as you place it on your head. So how I clean it up, you can get some alcohol, and yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, so I did not bring you guys to the bathroom, but it's basically a lot is coming off. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. So you want to put the lace under hot water because the Got2b or whatever you're using is like glue, so you want to melt it off. And I also used soap if you do not have rubbing alcohol, and all you do is just lather it into the lace of the frontal, and you just scrub it together and you put it under the hot water. Okay, so remember how this looks now. All gooky, all yucky. And I'll be right back. It's under hot water. Okay, so now look, it is all, most of it is cleaned off of it. It's not as gooky on there and everything. You can see it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it on my head. And I'll show you guys what products I use for it not to be as frizzy looking. Okay, so I must say that the liquid gold is and my Got2b glue is still a go. Okay, so I just gotta get my sides down, but I don't want to do a lot of tugging and pulling. But with hair that comes curly and stuff, you don't have a flat iron, you can't flat this hair out. But so you can do each strand like this. And be careful which kind you get, because it can have a stiff hold to it. So you want to get back to life, just separate it. But again, you got to remember that this is synthetic hair, so be careful as you separate it. Okay, so I got more mousse. So yes. So the pieces that wants to stay together, keep them together. Like, keep these together. But if you want it to have a fuller look, separate it. Because if they all sticking together, it's going to look like you have synthetic in your hair. The wig has to be on. Like, it has to be on before you do any of the baby hairs, in my opinion. Yeah, you can do it on a mannequin, but yeah, this part is looking real crazy. So I had this wig for probably a few months now, and I just let it sit in my closet, and I don't wear it all often. You don't wear synthetic wigs to bed. You don't do too much playing in it. You just, you know, put it on your head, walk out the door. That's it. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more beauty videos. So keep on watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am almost at 1,000 subscribers. You know, just need 25 more. You know, just 25. You know, everybody can just come back. 25 people. Just 25 for now. And then my next goal will of course be 2,000, and then from 2 I'll just say 10. Okay, so yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and keep on watching for more.